Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is, which financial body has approved USD 125 million support program from the Resilient Kerala program? Answer is World Bank. The World Bank Board of Executive Director has approved a $125 million support from the Resilient Kerala program to help the state in preparedness against natural disaster, climate change impact, disease outbreaks and pandemics. Number 2. Which of the following bank has partnered with Paisabazaar to launch Step Up credit card? Answer is SBM Bank. Paisabazaar.com, India's largest leading marketplace and credit score platform, and SBM Bank India, the youngest universal bank, announced the launch of Step Up credit card, a credit builder product designed from customer with limited access to formal credit due to ineligible credit score. Number 3. Which Indian state has topped the India Smart City Award Contest 2020? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has emerged as top performer among all Indian states. It is followed by Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu under the Smart City Award 2020. Number 4. NASA to create computer models to protect Delta system. NASA scientists from other university from Boston to California are aiming to create computer models which can be used with satellite data to learn which part of their dwindling delta can be soared up and which delta are past hope. Scientists decided to create computer models in the backdrop of erosion, sinking land and sea rise due to climate change, which have killed Louisiana woods near the Mississippi River Delta system. Number 5. P. Sainath awarded 2021 Fukuoka Prize. Noted journalist P. Sainath was selected as one of the 3 recipients of Fukuoka Prize 2021. He is an Indian journalist and author of book called Everybody Loves a Good Draft. He has been actively campaigning over farmers' issues and backed Samyukta Ekta Morcha that leads farmer agitation in India. It was awarded with Roman Magsaysay Award in 2007 because he believes journalism is for people, not for shareholders. Number 6. A book titled Kashmiri Century, Portrait of a Society in Flux released. A book titled Kashmiri Century, Portrait of a Society in Flux, authored by Khemlata Waklu. She is a writer, a political leader and a social worker who has devoted the past 50 years to using her many talent to improve a lot of people of Jammu and Kashmir. Number 7. A book titled Policy Makers Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC by Kaushik Basu. A book titled Policy Makers Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC, authored by Kaushik Basu, released soon. This book charts the course of Kaushik Basu's career over 7 years, and he moved out of the cloister of academe to the frenetic world of policy making, first in India as chief economic advisor to the Indian government and after that as chief economist at the World Bank in Washington. Number 8. Turkey, Azerbaijan began joint military drills in Baku. Turkey and Azerbaijan have begun joint military drill Mustafa Kemal Ataturk 2021 in Baku, deploying tanks, helicopters and drone in an effort to improve the two countries' combat interoperability. The exercises involve up to 600 personnel in an effort to improve the alliance combat interoperability. Number 9. Ukraine and US launched sea bridge drills. Ukraine and United States launched joint naval exercises. Sea bridge drills in the Black Sea in a show off Western corporation with Kiev as it faces off with Russia. The drills come just day after the British Royal Navy's HMS Defender passed near Russian annexed Crimea in the Black Sea, with Moscow saying it fired warning shots as a destroyer to ward it off. Number 10. Today's last question of the day. WhatsApp appointed Mahesh Mahatme as head of payments in India. WhatsApp has appointed former Amazon executive Mahesh Mahatme as a director to lead the growth of its payment business in India. As director, WhatsApp Payment India, Mahatme will focus on enhancing the payment experience for users, scaling the service, and work towards contributing to the messaging app's vision of digital and financial inclusion in India. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.